Sounds good.
Okay. Who we got? Yeah. All right, we're good, right?
Yep.
Oh, manual second gear. I want to keep it in.
Good.
Okay. Okay, throw it in
All right, now off the gas. Let the turn scrub the speed. Keep it tight. Good. Follow it around, keeping it tight. All right. At this point, get into the gas. All right. Now out of the gas, throwing it into the turn. Good. Now modulate. On, off, on, off, on, off, on, off. Yeah, this is a little tight for this car. Gas. Now off the gas, throwing it in. Good. Smooth it out. Traction control on?
No.
Okay.
I have a track mode.
And let's put it all together being smooth. All right, putting it in. Good. Good. Had it there. You would have had it.
Oh, I was supposed to go.
You got to commit.
Confusing.
All right, throw it in. Let it react. That's it. Nice. Nice.
Don't take the cone out.
Good. Off the gas.
Oh, now in.
That's it. Good. Good. Smooth. Smooth. Good. Steering control and throttle modulation. Alright, last one. Good, keep it tight, keep it tight, keep it tight. Now throw it in. Gas. Get that back in now. Seems like a little throttle delay. You're stepping on the gas and it's kind of like growling before it gives you power.
Car's complaining. Or maybe I have a different setting.
That's it, that's it. Work it. Keep it tight. Keep it tight. Gas. Good. Good. That's it. Beautiful. Good. Keep it tight. Keep it tight. Keep it tight. Oh, she's really pushing. All right, that's about the limit.
Gotta give me credit for not knocking it down.
That's it. Nice. Nice. Now, have you done anything with your tire pressure? Okay, so if you wanted to get this car a little bit looser, you want to put some more air in. All the way around. Yeah, you may want to jump it up to maybe 35, 40.
Wow.
Yeah, because you're not going to develop that much heat doing this. Maybe on the figure 8, but over here, you know, I think if we're getting 30 miles an hour, that's a lot. But here it's more about the weight transfer and being smooth.
Right.
Ready?
Yep.
Let's go. It's that transition, you know, that this all adds to the experience.
Right.
Remember, keep them eyes up, looking ahead. Now try to keep your hands on the wheel without shifting them around, because it takes a half a second for your hand to move and then get back in position. And you get a hang of this, and you start developing a rhythm, you know, and that's pretty much driving on the track. You need to have that rhythm, the feel for the car. Good, good. Very nice. Keep it tight. Good, good. Gas. Alright, now a little tighter brake. Good. You're going to the end, now cutting into the left. That's it.
Right.
That's what that means. Good. Good. Now a little gas off the gas. Gas off the gas. That's it. Off. Off. Good. See the turning, scrubbing the speed? Beautiful. They're all loaded up on the suspension. You can feel how much body roll you have. Because you got to fill up the suspension before the tires actually start giving up their grip. Alright. Good, good, good. Smooth, smooth. That's it. Eyes up, eyes up. Looking down the road. Good, good. And you can see how quick it transitions the weight also. It's the beauty part of the song. Good. Turning, scrubbing speed. Beautiful. Keep it tight. Good. Keep them tight. That's it. Gas. Good. Now you also scrub speed by turning, so you don't really necessarily need to hit the brakes. That's it. Good, good. You want it close. Smooth, smooth. Turning, scrubbing speed. Good. Good. Nice.
Come on, help. She's holding.
Now see, what this makes you realize too is how much speed you can scrub as you're going through a turn,
Yeah.
without having to hit the brakes. So when you're on the track, it's like, why scrub it all with brakes when
Right.
the turn itself is going to be scrubbing speed? That enables you to carry more through the turn. That's it. Let the turn scrub the speed. Good. Nice and tight. Good. Keep them cones tight to the left. Good. Gas, gas, gas. That's it. Remember, that slide is our friend. Just got to slow it down a little bit going through here.
Yeah.
You know, I mean, not too slow, but you want to make it so that you can get through and, you know, have a nice rhythm developed. This is just feeling that weight transfer. All right, let the turn scrub the speed. That's it. Good. Keep it tight. Keep it tight. That's it. Eyes up. Looking ahead. Gas. Good. Throw it in there. Good. Good. Slow it down. That's it. This is where you want to modulate. In between a little gas. Off the gas. On the gas. Off the gas. On. Good. Throw it in. That's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. Good. Good. Now next time around, work that. If you can get that initiated again, work that slide through. Don't get out of the gas. Modulate. All right, easy. That's it. Smooth. A little bit. All right, now throw it into the throw. Throw it. That's it. That's it. Oh man, she's pushing now. Oh, okay, all right.
Okay. I missed the code though.
Okay, there you go. Back on course. All right, throw it in there.
At least it's fun.
Yes, it is. Shit, you can't do on the street. All right, slow it down. Slow it down a little bit. That's it. That's it. Work it. Smooth, smooth. Good, good. Yes. Throw it into the turn. That's it. More. All right, let's snap around. Okay.
Why do I want to hit the code?
That's fine. You're fine. I mean, it's just a suggestion. You know, that's all they are. All right, easy. Back to the rhythm.
Oops. Okay. I tell you, it's a lot of fun.
Yeah, it is.
I'd rather skid a little bit than not.
Good. No, that's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. Keep it over. Now turn it. You probably have to scrub just a little bit more speed.
Yeah.
All right. Throw it in there. Good. Good. Smooth it out. Throw it in. More steering. All right.
I missed it.
Nice avoidance. I want you to take notice of how tight this car is and how minimal the body is.
I've been driving around in my car, looking for some kind of open bar. It's gonna be alright, gonna be alright. Got no money, but I'll work it out with my charm. Having a good time, ain't doing no harm. It's gonna be alright, gonna be alright. Hey now, honey, I've been driving around in my car.